this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently put a stop to pop-up notifications or alerts from your Adobe Photoshop Express app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if these notifications are annoying and you'd like to put an end to them, it is pretty simple. Just head over to settings and look for the app information page. So from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. From apps, look for the option called manage apps or all apps, and then this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, go ahead and look for your app. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, scroll down to this section called permissions, and under permissions you should be able to see notifications. If you tap on it, you can see all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications. To put an end to them, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications, and this will put an end to all notifications that you have been receiving on your app. So that's how you can end or put an end to pop-up notifications or alerts on Adobe Photoshop Express app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.